So welcome to your pelvic floor routine. Today we're going to focus on 3 sets of our strength. So 3 sets of 10. We'll do this together and then I want you to try and repeat it every single day this week. Okay? Let's do this. So, big breath in. Just let it go. Let's go. So lift and then release. Lift, release, lift, release, lift, release, lift, release, lift, release, lift, 5, lift, 4, lift, 3, lift, 2, lift, let it all go. So in between you can just do some shoulder rolls, just some movement. You don't have to do all 3 in one go as well, all right? So you can space this across your day. So again, let's work with this. Just keep everything relaxed. Maybe even imagine that you've got a silk scarf underneath you, and as you gently squeeze and lift, you're lifting that silk scarf up inside you, and then just let it go. So again, lift and then release. Squeeze and lift. And release. Good. Squeeze and release. Lift and release. Lift. 5. Lift. 4. Lift. 3. Lift. 2. Lift. And 1. Just one more round to go. So we want to keep this strength up, because this is how we get our pelvic floor stronger, more toned. Okay, final round, let's go. So a lift, release, lift, 2, lift, 3, lift, 4, lift, 5, lift, 6, lift, 7, lift, 8, lift, 9, lift, 10. Let go. Okay, so I want you to try to do that each day this week. You don't have to watch with me each time, but if you need to, of course, you're welcome. But just try 3 sets of 10 strength this week. Discover how to prevent unwanted and embarrassing leakages with my guided pelvic floor workouts and educational videos. You deserve to trust in how your body functions, and I will show you how to do it with my Core Rehab for Mamas program. Come and join me and other mamas just like you in our Preg Active community today.